Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start now. Dry the stainless pan and pat food completely dry because moisture causes sticking. Turn the burner to medium-high and preheat for 2 to 3 minutes. Watch for a faint shimmer. Once the pan shimmers, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of a high-smoke oil and tilt to coat. Make sure you do not let it smoke. This sequence creates an oil barrier and helps proteins release cleanly so you can sear without immediate sticking. Place food into the pan away from you to prevent splatter. Once on the pan, do not move it immediately. You want a proper crust. Wait 2 to 4 minutes per side depending on thickness and watch edges for browning. Once done, flip with tongs. Make sure to lower heat if the oil smokes, because excess heat ruins the pan's seasoning effect and burns flavor. If juices accumulate, spoon them over food briefly to finish cooking and maintain even temperature. Finish by removing food and letting it rest on a rack for 5 to 10 minutes so juices redistribute. This ensures tenderness. While resting, deglaze the hot pan with a splash of wine or stock and scrape up the fond. Simmer 30 to 60 seconds to make a quick sauce. If something did stick, don't panic. Add hot water, bring to a gentle simmer to loosen bits, then use a nylon pad and a little dish soap to scrub once cooled slightly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.